So here we have the Unite system. For us, it's the next step we want to take in our conferencing services, because next to interpretation, we also do a lot of silent conferencing. So where we have multiple speakers at the same time in the same hall, and it gets loud very fast. For this, we now can use also the Unite system, where people have these very handy receivers and they can switch between channels, which makes it pretty easy. It makes it more accessible for big conference halls, but there we need to install all the radiators. But now it's very convenient, because now we have this access point. And the access point is perfect for us, because one access point can almost provide signal to almost an entire event hall. So that makes it really easy to set up and also more flexible as well. And next to that, we also have these handheld transmitters, which is very good for short interpretation assignments or mobile interpretation assignments, where we can now use the tour guide function of the Unite system to also provide interpretation for small or large groups.